Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. We are here in 3rd Industrial, Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Islam. We are about to go home now. Time check, it's still 3 o'clock.
At welcome to my vlog.
Kuang pagkuan niya, kanang date December.
Oo nga pala. Date check, December 17, 2024. We are here in 3rd Industrial, Saudi Arabia, Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Now we're going home. And our driver for today, wala lisensya. Ang lakas ng loob. Nagda-drive. Walay ikama. Ang kuyog expired ang ikama. Oh, diba? May driver na ako. Saan tayo dyan? Nasaan na yung ano? Oh, diba? Tara tayo, may camera. Si Datuan, 80 lang. Mahalang bawa sa sweldo ko yan. Mahal yan.
Online that went viral last night and
May
had the last
camera.
night in the kingdom. A little bit wild, a little bit crazy, but I think there's more to the story. If you haven't seen it, I've got the details coming up after 4 o'clock, after the 4 o'clock news, so stay right where you are.
Diba? Outside city. Ang tagal mag 3 minutes para may
Wala ba siya kayo? Meron sa panabukas na?
1 week na ako
Bakasyon nyo naman?
itong alin naka-side
sa
kasi mag-runabout ka papunta dito. Pwede na. Pwede nang bigyan ng sasakyan.
dire ya.
Oh, dia. Oh, diba? Ang galing. Pangit mo ng cellphone na to, hindi mag-focus.
Dami.
Okay guys, bye bye guys. 3 minutes na guys.
Sabi